Unpack the mask. Position the mask in the middle of the nasal bridge. Spring it back and forth to check the appropriate position. Turn the main frame to proper position. Adjust the position of forehead pad. Spring the mask back and forth. Make sure to wear the mask comfortable and firm. Spread headgear on the desk. Put mask in the middle with heads up. Thread the upper straps of the headgear through the slots on the forehead support and the lower straps on the main frame clip slot. Place the mask cushion over the patient's nose. Pull the headgear over your head. Gently tighten the headgear straps to the proper length to avoid leak. Connect the tube in the mask to the elbow. Remove the headgear by unclicking the lower clips from the mask frame. Undo the belt screw tabs at the top of headgear and pull away from the head support frame. There is no need to undo the headgear clips. Detach the vice swivel. Remove the elbow assembly. Main frame stripped off automatically. Pull the main frame away. Peel forehead support pad from the forehead frame. Detach the thin pad, cushion frame. Peel cushion away from the cushion frame. NM1 can be disassembled into 9 parts totally. Cleaning the air tubing by soaking it in the detergent or rinsing in warm water solution. A soft bristle brush will be helpful for the hard plastic parts. Rinsing the air tubing with warm drinking quality water is recommended. Allow the components to air dry out of direct sunlight. Reconnect the air tubing to your device after thoroughly air dry out. Please change your accessories constantly on conditions. Locks the inner cushion securely into the cushion support frame. Ensure that the cushion bulge should fit snugly inside the groove of the cushion frame. Assemble the inner cushion pad with out-level pad. Attach the cushion assembly to the mask frame. Push the cushion assembly onto the mask frame firmly until the latches click into place. Place the forehead pad plugs into the 2 round holes of the forehead support. Adjust it to proper position. Plug the forehead support frame into main frame slot.